Some more features in HTML. Learning about the following points. Adding images with the img tag. List, ordered and unordered. Hyperlinks with the anchor tag. In the previous chapter, you saw the way you would create web pages using HTML. You also learned about the various tags and attributes you could use to create these pages. You shall now learn about some more features of HTML, such as how to add images to your web pages, create lists, and make links to other HTML pages. Adding images to your web pages. img tag. Adding an image to a web page makes it more attractive. You can insert images in the web page by using the img tag, which is an empty tag. Images definitely make a web page more interesting, but they also make it heavier in the terms of bytes, which mean that it will take a longer time to download. Hence, a proper balance must be maintained between the aesthetics and the size of the web page. The img tag has several attributes, which are used to specify the source, heights, width, and alignment of the picture. The attributes are given in the table below. src. This attribute is used to identify the location of the image file. Syntax. Open tag img src is equal to file name close tag. The linked image should be a BMP, GIF or JPEG file type. Align. This attribute is used to specify the alignment of the images. Syntax. Open tag img align is equal to left, oblique right, oblique top, oblique bottom, close tag. Border. This attribute is used to give a border to your image. The thickness of the border range from 1 to 10 pixels. Syntax. Open tag img border is equal to n, close tag, where n is a number in the range of 1 to 10 specifying the thickness. Height. This attribute is used to specify the height of the image in pixels. Syntax. Open tag image height is equal to h, close tag, where h is the height in pixels. Width. This attribute is used to specify the width of the image in pixels. Syntax. Open tag image width is equal to w, close tag, where w is the width of the pixels. In the following example, hill.jpg image is linked with align is equal to center, border is equal to 4, height is equal to 100 and width is equal to 150. Lists in HTML. HTML lets you create two types of lists in the web pages. 1. Unordered. 2. Ordered. 1. Unordered list. UL tag. Unordered or bulleted list are used when the items in the list are not required to be in the specific order. An unordered list is enclosed within the open and close UL tag. Each item in the list is given an LI tag. Type attribute. We can use the type attribute to specify the type of the bullets we want in the lists. This attribute can take 3 values. Disk, that is dark circle bullet, square, square bullet, and circle as circle bullet. Syntax. UL type is equal to circle or disk or square in tag, LI tag text, LI tag text, End UL tag. Following example shows unordered lists tag and its output. Ordered lists. An ordered list is the list where items are in the specific order and need to be numbered. This kind of list could be used to give the list of items or number the steps in the procedure, etc. The type attribute can be used to define the type of series we want. Syntax: OL type is equal to serial number tag, LI tag, closed OL tag, where the serial number is the indicative of the type of the series and could be any one from the table given below. Following example shows ordered list tag and its output. Adding marquees in web pages where the marquee tag. Marquees which are moving or scrolling text can be inserted by the marquee tag. Syntax: open marquee, text, closed marquee tag. The direction attribute can be used to specify the direction of the scrolling text. Following example shows marquees tag and its output. Hyperlinks. A website is a collection of web pages which are linked to each other by HTML links known as hyperlinks. Using these hyperlinks, the user can surf the net by moving from one web document to another on the World Wide Web. When you point to a hypertext, the linked text, the mouse pointer changes to a hand. When we click on the hand, we are linked either to the another section of the document or to another document. Anchor tag. The anchor tag A is used to create hyperlinks. It is a container tag. href attribute of the anchor tag. The href attribute is used with the A tag. We can create two types of links using the href tag. 1. External links. These links allow us to link two different web documents to each other. 2. Internal links. These links allow us to link two different sections of the same page. External linking. Linking to another document. The href attribute can be used to link one document to another. Syntax: open tag A href is equal to URL of the page where you want to go, close tag, hypertext, closed A tag. For example, given below is a web page virus.html on the types of virus. This file has been linked to two files, trojan.html and boot.html, which contains more details in these two viruses. A link has also been created in trojan.html and boot.html, which allows the user to get back to the main page virus.html. Internal linking. The href attribute can be used to link two different sections of the same page. Syntax: open tag A href is equal to section name, close tag. This creates a link to another section of the document. Closed A tag. Open tag A name, section name, close tag. This is the linked section. Closed A tag. Example: given below is the simple quiz, which has been created by using internal linking. The questions are written in one section of the page while the answers have been given in another section. The first anchor tag creates a hyperlink to another section of the web page. This is indicated by the hash sign. Name attribute. The second anchor tag with the name attribute creates the section which is to be linked. This name will not be displayed in the web page. Its name only provides a reference to the part to be linked. Summary. You can insert image in the web page by using the IMG tag or IMG tag. Unordered or bulleted lists are used when the items in the list are not required to be in the specific order. An unordered list is represented by UL tag or UL close tag. Each item in the list is given an LI tag. The type attribute is used to specify the type of bullets we want in the lists. This attribute can take 3 values: disk, square, circle. The anchor tag A is used to create hyperlinks. It is a container tag, href attribute. The href attribute is used with the A tag to create external or internal links.